Alright, still your guy Big Tank from Double South, and again I'll see they run this our CSS tutorial they go. So for inside this tutorial now, I go show now what it be the CSS overflow property and what it all about. So this CSS overflow property here, you they use them until they control how a particular content go be if it's too big for the place where you put on. You get just imagine say I get this div now, so I get this div. So inside this div now, I could get this paragraph now. So this div now, I they put on for inside this paragraph. They say this div, I they put on inside this paragraph. So this div now, so man say a content now, or sorry, the things I say I write on inside now like the things that plenty where they say the things I write now plenty where inside this div now. So what I go do now, so if I go my browser, make I run this stuff. You see now, so I say plenty now. Okay, most style the div. I'll come here now, I'll say div. Then I'll say make the width of the div. Make the width of the div now be like 600 pixels. Then make the height of the div. Make it be 500 pixels. Or might give it like 700 maybe. No, maybe 500 pixels. Alright, so the background color of this div now, I go say make the background color be, make it be, okay, we'll get brown for them now, maybe brown. You get. So when I do it like this now, so if I go back, go run, you see as it be now. You see, must change the color of the, must style the paragraph more. I'll come see the paragraph now, make the color of the paragraph, make it be maybe yellow, The margin increase the font more now. Say font size 16 pixel. More what padding for the div. I'll say make the padding of the div be, make the padding be 10 pixel. You see? Alright, we'll get this thing now. So if you look this thing closely now, show you see the, you see on this side now. You see the yellow. If you come back to my HTML code now, this paragraph now, so it's supposed to be inside this div now, meaning everything for inside is supposed to be inside this div. But if you look at now, because it's too plenty, the things will be like the paragraph too plenty now, it they come outside now from the size what would they specify for this div, which is the 600 by 500 height. So now here this overflow property now go to come into play. So what it go help us do now, so it go help us control this guy. One letter no say now this one and not be your guy. So you need to do under and you need to do inside. You get, you know, be. So what we go do now, so we'll come here, we'll say overflow. So when we say overflow now, we'll say hidden. If we put overflow hidden now, if I refresh now, you see I'm saying nothing they show for button again now. It all enter inside the div now. You see nothing they show because of this overflow hidden now. It all enter inside this div, but we want to make everything they show. You get one more everything they show. How will they do one? So what will we do again? We will set in such a way that this place now we'll call add scroll bar. We'll feed a scroll the content for it so that this will see everything where inside. So instead of overflowing now, I feel coin now. If I don't want to hide all this mini pattern, I feel coin I'll say overflow scroll. You get, I'll say overflow scroll. If I refresh now, show you this here. You see, it don't add scroll bar for me now. You see, it's still add for here just in case it now. It's still add for here now. So it add for the X and the Y axis. So these are just how we feel use now. We use overflow now to they control the content now so that it go there inside a container based on say all chronofi big passing on now. You know how they be now. So now here we go end this one. Now here we go end. And another thing say, before we end there, if we want to come out this guy, what will we do here? We'll say okay, we'll come overflow. Instead of overflow now, we'll say overflow Y. So if I say overflow Y scroll now, scroll bar now, you know they appear for the button again. Show this, you know the button here again. Now only this side now ID. So quickly now, so the overflow property they work. So the design they go now will continue to the user for our designs. Them wanna see how the thing they play. So I see me your guy Big Time from Double South, and you know the bin now like the video, subscribe. If you don't understand that something they work for you now, just comment for the comment section there, and I'll see you for the next video. Thank you.